Welcome everybody to the revision class. We will be focusing on chapter 1 and chapter 2 today. Hopefully time allows. We will finish 1 and 2 lah, huh? I started with chapter 1 first, so you want to have your short notes with you. Okay? Can? Alright, so chapter 1 very straightforward lah. Basically, it's about categorizing animals and plants. Okay, but first of all, the introduction will be what is biodiversity. So look out for the definition. Biodiversity means a lot of living things on Earth, including plants and animals. Due to diversity of habitat and climate. Diversity of habitat means there's a lot of different kinds of habitat. Maybe animals that stays in water, maybe animals stays in on land, in the forest, on top of the tree, in the cave. So many different climates, habitats, and including climate as well, which is temperature lah. Okay, that's why we have variety of different animals. Yeah, so this is quite important to remember. Importance of biodiversity. That means why we must take care or why we must protect biodiversity due to 6 reasons. So at least you remember the title lah, the explanation slowly lah. Okay, so first it's for food lah. We have different types of animal and plants for food. Balance in nature because different cycles and animals and plants rely a lot on each other. So it's like I help you, you help me. Okay, recreational places. People would travel all the way just to see some animals, or people would travel all the way to that particular places to experience the environment and the animals and plants. Yeah, medical. Yes, we need a lot of different kinds of herbs and medicines. Okay, including the modern type, the chemical medicines, or including the traditional kind of like Chinese medicine, that kind of stuff. Raw material for buildings. Okay, very simple. Timber means wood lah. Bamboo, rattan. Education. Okay, very simple. No problem. Okay, these are the 6 importance of biodiversity. Yeah. Then down to endemic species. So endemic species are animals that can only be found or stay in a restricted area, like a certain country. For example, these are Southeast Asia's animal, endemic species. First thing first, they are already very little in amount because they are restricted to that area ma. Like for example, you can only find all this in Southeast Asia, other countries don't have one. That means the amount or the numbers or the population of animal is already very little. And of course, because it's already very little, due to human activities, deforestation, development, they do not have habitat anymore. So further endemic species may become endangered species. Okay? But not all endemic species may become endangered lah. For example, specific species to let's say Australia. Australia is the kangaroo and koala bear. They are endemic species to Australia. But are they endangered? No, that's not the case. We can find even kangaroo meat in grocery. I mean in their grocery. You can eat kangaroo meat. Is a lot like it's oversupply sometimes. Yeah. So what I'm trying to say is endemic species must not always be endangered species. But Malaysia's or Southeast Asia endemic species are endangered lah. Okay. So there you go. That's the first part, or I should say the first kind of question that you will see. Okay, we need to jump a bit because I did not really arrange according to sequence. It's like a random exam paper, like an exam sequence. So I have to go to look for page 12, everybody. Question 9, page 12. Okay? Page 12. Okay, can if I ever missed out your question or your whatever you typed to me, you might want to Copy paste again. Would I miss out? No leh, my first exam this year. Yeah, why so many chapter one? But later lah, that's end of June lah. So other students having their second term already actually. That's other schools' second term. July or like something like that. I did this exercise already. Okay, cool. Then we check the answer together. Okay, so like diagram 2 shows an activity carried out near a village with the intention of developing the area. Okay. That means we want to cut trees. Obviously, the picture is showing you deforestation, right? Deforestation. So the activity is deforestation. The intention is to develop the area. Okay. So villagers are worried about the bad effects. Let's take a look at the question. If you were one of the villagers, discuss the bad effects. Look at the marks. We need 4 marks, my friends. Okay, like what are the bad effects do we have? We need 4 bad effects. So cutting down trees, a lot of bad effects. You can go forever and ever and ever. So, well, you are basically destroying where they stay, isn't it? So cutting down trees, basically the most important difference, the most important problem or effect is that you destroy the habitats of animal and plants. Okay, so I would say habitat is one of the very important answer. Anything else? Unbalanced ecosystem. I think that is a bit general. Maybe we want to go a little bit more detail. So like loss of habitat is already unbalanced ecosystem, right? So if there's no place for them to stay, then animal will extinct, right? Face extinction. Okay, so extinction could be one, extinction of flora and fauna, or extinction of animals, extinction. Okay, animal will lose their, that's under the first point we mentioned just now. What else? See, no more trees, raining, what problem? That's what happened now and then, here and there, like on highland places like Cameron Highland, like Genting Highland, we have landslide. Landslide, soil erosion, yes, acceptable. Landslide, soil erosion. Global warming, you can say temperature increase. Actually, I wanted to say temperature increase, so causes global warming and climate change. That's correct. So you see, quite a lot of answers. But we want to be maybe more specific, okay, to 4 of them. So like, there you go. I have 4 bad effects. Those that I mentioned now, if I say okay, then should be okay lah. Less oxygen okay, can oxygen content decrease, carbon dioxide content increase, can also. Okay, so I have 4 marks, 4 points. That's it. Straightforward. Okay, I bet most of y'all want to ask the question where can one meh, like that, right? Can get marks meh? Okay, because maybe teacher did not tell you about it, or maybe you're so used to writing like long paragraphs. Actually what matters is the main point, like the key points or the keywords. You want to write karangan also can. I'm not stopping you from doing that, but the thing is you have to make sure your karangan have 4 answers. Okay, because what I usually see students answer is karangan. Wow, not enough space. Want to borrow paper from teacher, continue writing karangan. But after all, if teacher can only find 1 point, 2 point, and nothing else, then you don't get correct for the other 2. You only get 2 marks. You understand? So to me, it's better to make it into simple sentences, not point form. Don't get me wrong, I'm not doing like dash, yes, good, extinct. I'm not doing that kind of point form. No, that is definitely not acceptable. Okay, I believe that is not acceptable at all. So I'm in between. I'm not doing karangan. I'm not doing point form. I'm doing the in between. I'm still having my sentence, but more straightforward, simple English, because my English is not good. So I still get 4 points, 4 marks. You all get it? Yeah, so no point form, no dash, no ABC, no 1, 2, 3, no you and me, but make it into sentence. Okay? If you struggle in forming sentences or like karangan form. Yeah, I never do that one. I don't like it. So I like this way lah. Okay? Again, for those who English better one, you don't struggle in forming sentences or like continuous sentences one, then why not? Go ahead. Okay? But my method is for those who struggle in making like proper English paragraph or sentences. Yeah? So you can do it this way. Alright? Okay, number 2, shall we? How? The activity in Diagram 2 has positive effect. Nani? You mean deforestation for the intention of developing the area has positive effect? Okay, fine. I think let's not focus on the environment now. Obviously, to the environment is not good, but well, any other logical answer you think? So this is not from syllabus. This is something logical thinking. So if we developed an area, we have, okay, very good, source of income for the economy, correct. Build houses means you want to have more residential houses, yeah. Help to boost the economy of the country, yes, correct. Can I say job opportunity? Yes, correct, because you need people to cut the tree and to build houses. Get many material. Okay, it could be though, like you get timber for building materials, yeah. Okay, I think that is okay as well. More people can stay there, increase the population. I think yes, but maybe we want to make it into a sentence like develop into residential area, so more opportunity for villagers to buy houses, something like that. You can make it into sentences. Attract more tourists. That's a little bit far-fetched. I think we don't go to that part, the tourist part, because we don't know. That's just development, not necessary to a recreational. Okay? Can I say decrease the competition between the plants so that they can get sufficient sun? Whoa! Boom! That is a crazy answer, but I'm sorry, not acceptable. The positive effect of cutting down trees and develop area, like build buildings, is not to decrease competition for the plants lah. So that's maybe too far-fetched, too far away also. But good try. Anyway, we have 2 answers here for you to check out. You can use your own one that I mentioned just now, but I show you sample answer. That's mine. Okay, lie. Why I always don't have full stop one? Okay, question B. Waiting for you. Security reasons, Lao Mao. What do you mean security reasons? Developing the area have security problems or what? Okay, 5 more seconds. I'm moving to question B. All good? Okay, let's go. Read the following passage and answer the question. Okay, let's see what do we have. Malaysia is one of the 12 mega biodiversity countries in the world. The existence of a large variety of flora and fauna provides a rich heritage. By the way, Malaysia is one of the top countries where we have a lot of different animals and different plants. Okay, so that's something to be proud of, other than I mean, apart from the other not so proud things about Malaysia. But yeah, we have very rich biodiversity. The interdependence of organisms that lives together form a stable ecosystem. Yeah, so we, you know, living things, non-living things, human, animals, plants, we all rely on each other. Okay, okay, so walao wei, look at the marks. From your point of view, why should we preserve and conserve flora and fauna? Why should we preserve flora and fauna? I think this also meant why we should preserve and conserve biodiversity. Whoa, bro. Diversity. Okay. We have 6 of the importance of biodiversity or flora and fauna. Why we must protect them? Like this is what you want. But I don't think if we just write medical, balance in nature, I don't think that makes sense. You understand? We want to maybe like add a little bit, like for example, to provide food source for human, like that, like a bit, not too much, not copying the whole thing, but a little bit. Okay, to create recreational places, or to produce medicines, or to provide source of medicine, something like that lah, something like that. So you can choose any tree from, any 4 from here, okay, but make it to a little bit explanation, such as my answer. Sample, you all can use your own way. Yeah, you need 4 points. Explain a little bit. Education, yes, no problem, to provide education or for education purposes also can. Source of food, source of income, no, that's not included. Future generation can see and learn flora and fauna. Okay, good, that's one of the acceptable answer. Pavitra, oh hi Pavitra. To maintain plants and animal habitat. To maintain plants and animal habitat, that is more towards like conserve the forests, right? Because this is quite a general question also, like why must we protect animal and plant and every living things? So I think that one not so suitable. Zheng Kang, other source of income cause use the raw material to sell. Actually, okay. Jin Sean cannot do point form, cannot do 1 2 3, cannot do ABC, cannot do you and me. cannot point form, cannot point form. 加热 raw material to sell, that one a bit far away leh. Don't want, I think don't want that one. I'm pretty sure that one not acceptable. I mean write in sentences form. I thought you say ABC, point A, point B, point C. You mean like this? Like what I did? That comma, no, not like this. Oh, that means after this comma, then like that. Correct? Can, no problem one. But depends sometimes if question requires you to form sentences, if you just comma where it doesn't make sense, then that's no, I'm not saying asking you to 100% ignore English and grammar and all that, right? But for this one you can but sometimes explanation you need a little bit of connecting words, right? You get what I mean? Yeah, so but for this kind there, it's just point, no problem. Can go to A2. I haven't copied. Where is A2? Okay, like why so slow? Okay everybody, that's it for this. That's the first part lah. We shall go to the vertebrates and invertebrates, shall we? In 5 more seconds. have your short notes with you. We're going into the categorization of animals. Okay, Fiona, okay already or not? This one, I changed the screen. Is that okay? Today you put the mountain background. I can use the background of you. What do you mean? Are you saying that you need the background of my background? You need the background of me as your background? Done, okay, we go to classification of animal. Okay, very simple. Vertebrates, invertebrates, I'm pretty sure you all know this, something basic you've already done in school. So a quick one, vertebrates are animals with backbones. Invertebrates are animals without backbones. Simple, okay? Talk about vertebrates, talk about invertebrates. So we separate invertebrates into two main category and down to another four more category. This is fixed. This is something that you must remember and memorize in a word that you don't really like. Okay, memorize. It's fixed. So we must always split into without legs and with legs. You cannot simply create your own suddenly. So without legs, with legs. And then without legs, we have without segmented, with segmented. And with legs, we have 3 pairs, more than 3 pairs. Segment basically means like this: segment. Okay, so these are no segments, and these are with segments. Okay, so with legs, we only categorize into 3 pairs, and more than 3 pairs means 6 legs, or 6 legs and above, like 8 and above, 8 and more. Okay, so under 3 pairs are very significant category, which is called the insects category. Or maybe to all of you like, I thought everything is insect. Because to us maybe that very girly one, then you think it's all insects, right? Everything that crawls, that makes you feel girly, then it's no. Insect is actually just a little small category, like a little category. Alright, so the characteristics of insects must be 6 legs, no others. If it's others, then not insects. Spider, not insects. Prawn, not insects. Okay, must have 3 segments of body: the head, the thorax, and the abdomen. This one a bit lebe lah, but I teach just in case you need it. So all of them sure have 3 parts. 3 parts. Okay, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, that's how we categorize insects, and they have hard shell. We call exoskeleton, which you don't need, but I think it's okay to understand. Hard shell to them lah, hard shell to them lah. I know it's soft to you lah, okay. Have antenna, okay, everyone knows antenna. That's for them to sense the environment. Okay, so the other category, more than 3 pairs, could be a lot of category which you are not learning now. So for example, the very common one will be spider. Spider is under arachnid category. Same goes to scorpion, arachnid, which are poisonous, which have 8 legs. They might have fangs, they might have poison in the body. Yeah. Then the rest could be anything like crustacean, shellfish, a lot more. Millipede, centipede, those are another category. So 8 legs and above, 2 segments for spider and scorpion, more than 3 segments of body, exoskeleton, got antenna. I would say these are pretty extra, not from your textbook, but I think it's okay to know about it just in case. Okay, invertebrate animal looks weird to me. I love spider, or you love spider. Yeah, some people have spider as their pet. Maybe you can consider having spider as your pet. Tarantula. Okay, cool. That's invertebrate. That's it. We shall try out some work, ladies and gentlemen. Let's roll. Bam. I need to find the question. Wait, hold on. Oh, got it. Question 6. Page 9 来. Page 9, question 6. Okay, got it? Okay. This is where you need to categorize things, yeah? Okay, cool. With legs, without legs. Under with legs category, we have two more categories. What is that already? See, I have to remember a bit. With legs, we have 3 pairs, more than 3 pairs, right? Okay. Prawn is here lah. I think prawn is more than 3, right? Yeah. So I just want to make sure I understand. This is under more than 3. What's the other one? A tree, ngam tree, must be insects. Like that. Okay. Jun Xiang, so the one that you mentioned is the other one. It belongs to this side. Without legs, we split into segmented and non-segmented. So let's see. Sea anemone. Sea anemone is no segment one. So this one is not segmented. And the other side must be segmented. Okay. So you see, once I've know how to categorize things, then I'm clearer of what my answers will be, right? Okay, like first one, definition. Can you all copy your short notes? What is an invertebrate? Invertebrate is an animal without like. There you go. Okay, for you got it. It's from here. Form your sentence. Invertebrates are animal. Literally just adding one more word. Are. Okay. Okay, no problem. Super easy. Like, we need to write down the animals into P and Q. Okay, like example, P was what again? P is 3 legs. I got 3 legs. 3 pairs of legs. Sorry. So used to the number. So, planaria is like a flat worm. It's a worm. There's no leg. Cockroach cockroach is insect earthworm is under non-segmented under segmented but without legs, yeah. Spider is under with legs but more than 3 pairs. Okay, so what is Q is more than 3. Spider it is. Okay, spider it is. There you go. Page 9, Nitya, page 9. We are at page 9. Okay, can okay, next page, got it? Okay, diagram below shows a grasshopper. Okay, grasshopper belongs to which group? Grasshopper belongs to insects category, so should be group P. Nice, easy. Group P. Okay, next one. Another way to classify invertebrates into 2 big groups. Another way to classify invertebrates into 2 big groups basically means I don't want this already. We need another new method. Okay, think about it, my friends. How can we further split the whole entire planet Earth invertebrates into 2 main groups? I don't want with legs and without legs. What else can we do? Let you think about it. Moist skin. Moist skin. I'm not too sure about this. The segmented body. Then it will be this versus the whole world, right? I think that's not too general. We need something more balanced to split into like half. Yeah. Insects, non-insects. Insects, non-insects. That is this versus the whole world. Worm versus everything else. Lol. What they eat. difficult because they eat like almost like so random. With antenna, without antenna. Oh, 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 okay, that's a good one by the way. Antenna, without antenna. Got eyes, no eyes. Huh? Nani? Uh, got eyes, no eyes. Habitat ah. You want to go further, Pavitra? Habitat? Like how? Like what and what? Darat and air. Darat and air. Who stays in air? You mean not air, it's air. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, aquatic and land. That's acceptable, correct? Aquatic and land. Yup. Okay, cool. I think so far. Wait, did I miss out anything? I just let me quickly look through. I think so far acceptable would be aquatic and land. What else did I mention just now? Antenna and non and non antenna, right? What else? Insects, non insects. Let me consider that a while more. By the way, what did I write? I write spider. What the? It should be aquatic and land habitat. Okay? Or what else did we have just now? Sorry, I forgot. With antenna, with is it yeah, okay. With antenna and without. Okay, what else? I think insects, non-insects. Insects, non and non-insects. Can ah? Way to breathe ah. Oh no, very complicated because mostly they breathe with the spherical, which is the lubang on their body. Okay. Others basically in water one is a bit different. Yeah. Okay. Okay, Jun. So there you go lah, the acceptable answer. Okay. This is page 9, Neva. Aren't you following? Where have you been? I am watching you. Herbivore, carnivore? No. No, we are at the different category. we are a different category. This one. We are in invertebrates category. The one that you mentioned, herbivore and carnivore is this one. So no, cannot. Exoskeleton and no exoskeleton. Oh. Chicha. Okay, can. Wow, new discovery. A whole new world. Hard outer shell and soft body. We don't say exo lah. We say hard outer shell and soft body. Wow, amazing. My brother was crying just now, so I take care of him. Oh, wow, such a nice sibling you are. Okay. Was just joking about it just now. Okay, lie. He's only okay. Wow, That's young. That's young. Wow, you have to take care of your siblings. Um, you have to attend online class. Wow. Wow, that's not something I would be able to do at the age of 14. Salute. Okay, maybe I'm at your age. I'll probably dig my nose and not writing anything down if I have online class. Wow, not bad. Okay, continue the next one. Question E. I've been doing since 11. Wow, that means you can take care of children easily lah. So very experienced Okay, continue. What is this? Oh, finally we are at vertebrates. So since we're here, right, we will do it and we will find the answers from short notes at the meantime. Yeah. Okay. Crocodile. What category? Crocodile is under. You all check your short notes. Okay, reptile. I want to laugh die liao. Oh, Kershen. Don't die so soon, okay? Next one is mammal. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, go to your short notes. Please find out the reptiles and the mammal similarity. Please look out for reptiles and mammal similarity. Reptiles and mammal similarity are like only find things that they have in common. Okay, Niva, you need anything else? Please let me know if you miss out the front part. Yeah. Breathe through lungs. Reptile breathe through lungs. Mammal breathe through lungs. Okay. Internal fertilization and internal fertilization. Okay. Live on land. Don't want to. The crocodile always hide in the water one. Bad. People cannot see, then they makan the animal. So don't want that one. Yeah. 2 pairs of legs. Okay, can 4 legs acceptable? Both living animal. I bite you, Howard. Hey, don't give me things like both got 2 eyes, both living animal, got mouth, got parents. Hey, no lah, from here lah. Live on land, live on water. Oh, you cannot. Jonas, we need the similarity. We need similarity between goat and crocodile, yeah? Both have tail. Okay, can tail acceptable? Both have tail. Both have legs. Cannot. Must write number 4 legs. Cannot say both have legs. Most of things also got legs one so we better not write that one okay. Both don't know how to speak human language. Luckily this is online class. Or else somebody gonna get hurt. Okay, Jun, I think. Oh, I like this. Both are vertebrates. Yes, but we don't write vertebrates. We write both have backbones. That is the characteristics on the body. So lungs can breathe through lungs. Those who write lungs, yes, I see a lot of y'all. I'm not. Just that I didn't read out loud, but I can see. Both can't fly. Okay, this one. I need to find Howard's address already. House address. Okay, Jun, like that. Like that can meh? Can. Don't want from Karangan lah. I don't like Karangan lah. My England not good. I just make it into simple sentences. Yeah. You want to continue also can. Comma, continue, comma, continue also can. Okay, Jun. There you go. And maybe we shall try out another one. Question 5, page 8. For those who are done, please reverse to question 5, H8. Okay? Both are big. Crocodile also got small one. Goat also got small one. Okay, your answer strictly from here. If it's not from here, I mean other than the backbones, confirm cannot. Both can eat. I will eat you later, Jia. Both release carbon dioxide. Parija, I did not expect that from you. Like I moving liao everybody you done anybody need to screenshot like one last time. Okay. Okay, let's go. Question 5, page 8. Like, I know I'm being creative. Wow. Tried too hard. Haritra. Okay. What is this? Frog. Frog is under amphibian. Amphibian. And the turtle is under reptile. Okay, through this question you can learn also not just copying answer, because when we find answers you have to learn from the answers. We need to write down the common characteristics for 3 common characteristics. Similarity, reptiles and amphibian. Help yourself. I believe it's a very straightforward question. 3 common characteristics. 共同点. Boy kilo can. Lay eggs can. It's reptiles. No, amphibian and reptiles are different category. They are not both reptiles. Both can live on land and water. Can I think that's alright. Breathe through lungs. This one a bit gray area because they breathe through moist skin also. Don't want the one gray area one don't want. The breathe through lungs and the moist skin, the one don't want. Both live in land and water. Can. Boy kilo can both lay eggs can this one Howard, this one wanna bite your bum really. Have 4 legs no, because for turtle it's not their legs those are their paddles, so better not. Okay. Anything that I missed out? Just have a quick okay, so far so good. The repeated have the letter I. Wow, today everyone try to be funny Those usually not funny one try to be funny today. Aiyo. Okay, very funny. I give you all one clap. Why cannot sit on tortoise shell? Why can I not sit on your back? Cannot That's no manners, I think. No, I mean to animals. I mean of course you can't sit on any animals because I think they are not as strong to support your weight You mean if you want to sit on horse, because those are bigger animals Can step then it go fast, right? What is that? Gas pedal. Luckily I'm young. If I have heart problem, I think is it cause they have nerves on the shell? They can feel your touch on the shell, it is, yes. But I think to answer to your question, why cannot sit on their body, because they are small in size, very heavy. Okay. can we repeat backbone? Because the question they already mentioned they are both vertebrates. You mean yes, you can, because vertebrates are just the title. You are writing the characteristics in their body or on their body. Okay. Is this Wang Lei life? Why so random? You're funny. No, this is Yu Qin's life. Yu Qin life. I have to read all your... Very tired actually. Because you're very fast. When you're spam in, I cannot finish reading all your comments. Yeah. Okay. So number 2, everybody. Differences. 来了. Okay, 来. Something that are obviously opposite of each other. I give you one. Frog reproduce by external fertilization, while reptiles reproduce by internal fertilization. That is one answer. Okay? Can from here. Like you choose one more by your own. Please form your own sentences. Okay? See in the picture, there's supposed to have spots. Can I mention that? No. Cannot mention spots. Chinese class funnier or us? Chinese class very serious. They very hardworking and they very like whoa, let's do this. Like, are you all funnier? Okay. Moist skin, hard, dry scale. Yes, nice. Moist skin, dry scale. Yes, acceptable. Blue color, green color, cannot. Moist skin with the high scale. Okay, repeated. One got shell, one no shell. You mean hard shell? Yeah, this one already this one. Dry hard scale. Yeah. We can write frog or need to write animal now. You can write the names, don't worry, you can write frog. Yeah. Can I know why we can't mention that? Which one, Pavitra? You mean the spots? That's not the difference between amphibians and reptiles. One can jump, one can swim. Cannot. No. Okay, cool. The other's creative answer, I'm sorry, that not acceptable. No, for similarity. I cannot. That's not a characteristics between same. No matter similarities or differences, that is not for the similarities of reptiles and amphibian. So, like I mentioned, your answer must be from your textbook or your syllabus, basically. Okay? If like that means we can write got 2 eyes, got a heart, got parents, got siblings. Like that, every answer can accept. Frog can breathe through moist skin, but turtle can't. I think if you want to do that, I think you better say frog can breathe through moist skin, but turtle breathe through lungs. We don't write like can't, like this one can, that one can't. We don't do that. That kind of answer not acceptable one. You must also mention what they can't, then what they use. Then they use the lungs, for example. You understand? So we cannot just yes and then no like that. Not acceptable. Okay, June. Don't underestimate this kind of question. This kind of question seems very easy, but a lot of times I see a lot of answers are wrong because number 1, you're trying to be creative lah. Number 2, your answers are not from that part, from the textbook, and your answers are writing like a yes and no. You are not stating the body parts or specifically. Okay. Yeah. Frog have legs, but turtle got paddle. Okay lah. That one borderline acceptable, but I believe your teacher marking scheme doesn't have that. So a bit risky. Okay. Okay, like next one. Why do amphibian like frogs have to lay eggs in water? Oh yeah. Why have to lay eggs in water? Why cannot lay eggs on land? Why cannot lay in water? Why must lay eggs in water? Number 1, The problem with their eggs, not really the problem, but that's how it is. The problem with their eggs, hide baby, so they need to drink water. They do not have shell. If no shell, you lay eggs on land can dry. Okay, the eggs without, maybe I add on a bit, shell would dry up on land. There you go. Yeah. Why must lay in water? Means cannot lay on land because will dry, because no shell. So you that's how we explain this. Okay. Jelly like eggs. Yeah. It's, have you all eat like fish eggs? Are almost like fish eggs, and it's like jelly kind of texture. The eggs can bounce back because it's like slimy and bouncy. Wait, no, I'm being serious. Wait, what was that? Cause the babies are born, they only can breathe in water. Oh, that's the next step, right? That's the next step. I think we answer on eggs first, not the next step. I know they will need to live in water because they breathe through gills. I understand that, but that's like the next question to ask. But we focus on eggs now. Okay. I know eat fish egg. Sushi got a lot of fish egg. I think I shouldn't be funny anymore. But we drop. Eggs will dry one meh? Yeah. Like the fish eggs, the eggs that are no shell, they dry up. I only eat shark meat. Why so random? Okay, done. Next one. Reptiles lay eggs on land. Explain one adaptive characteristics of eggs to ensure survival. What? Adaptive characteristics of the eggs. What eggs? Reptile eggs. Oh, opposite answer. Opposite. This one must go to water because no shell ma. This one got shell lor. Got shell, then can prevent drying up. 2 points, yeah. Got shell, prevent drying up. So opposite. There you go. What does it look like when it dries up? It looks like raisin. It looks like raisin. So cannot go to water. What was previously? Oh, so the dry, you mean the hard shell cannot go to water. Okay. Can no problem Okay, Loi, we go to the next one. Done in 5 seconds, I am moving. So can I trick people into thinking that it's raisins and give them? So your title is what? Dry fish egg. I heard there just now Chinese class got something about Bosco. Yeah, everyone's saying Bosco very handsome, very smart lah. All the good things about Bosco. Who's that? It's a student from Catholic High School, I think. Yeah, should be. From Chinese class just now. You're done, Okay, jom. I think pretty much like that lah. Because I don't think I want to read words by words for you. Because it's already prepared here for you. So help yourself. We are going into plants, my friends. Yeah, into plants. Okay. Now, plant very easy and very straightforward. We categorize into 2 categories, flowering plants and non-flowering plants. Okay. So flowering plants, we further split into monocotyledon and dicotyledon, which is what you learn in primary school as well, according to the stems, right? Woody stems, non-woody stems. So this part is just purely memorizing. Cotyledon is the seed. So dicotyledon means two. The word di means two. Mono means one. So like jagung, you know, there's only one seed. The whole jagung is the seed lah. You pluck out one, right? There's just one. You can't, like, naturally it doesn't split into two. But dicotyledon, like for example, groundnuts or peanut, you can split into two. Green beans, you can split into two. Yeah, so that's two cotyledon. Okay, then the rest is something you have done before. Fibrous, taproot, non-woody means soft stem, and woody stem means hard stem. Network vein leaves, parallel vein leaves. Okay, nice, easy. Next one. Non-flowering split into two categories, which is called the vascular and the non-vascular. So vascular basically means fern and conifer. They have vascular system, means they have transport system. We used to call it in Form 1 as a xylem. Do you remember? Xylem to transport water, and phloem to transport food. Yeah. Okay. So these are vascular, means a bit complicated, where they have transport system in the body. I mean the plant. Non-vascular means don't have too 老牙 lah, too simple, too low class. Like moss. Moss is non-vascular. I mean, you all seen moss before, right? Moss grow on longkang. Moss grow on trees, skin, bark of the tree. They grow basically everywhere that is wet. I mean, they are such a simple and low class plant. How can you expect them to have like proper xylem phloem to transport food in the body? So they don't. Okay. So there you go. That's called vascular system lah. Mosses, spore, like mushrooms like that. Fern is also spores like mushroom, the powder underneath their leaf. And conifer is Christmas tree lah. They reproduce by cones. You know, you all see the decoration on Christmas tree, that hanging cones. Actually, that is the real thing on Christmas tree though. It's not decoration. They are really from Christmas tree. That's called cones. Alright? So these are non-flowering plants, no flower one. They don't have flower. They don't open up flower. These are flowering plants. Many of them. Okay, Jun, Lai, let's go. Ladies and gentlemen, let's roll to page 11, question 8. Page 11, question 8. How to remember from standard 3? We not Albert and Einstein. Oh, you still remember from standard 3? Means you still remember lah. When my material arrive, your face tear into half. Hiya, who tear my face? How come? So I think they didn't like handle properly. They next time should put the sticker, handle with care, glass inside. My face is like glass, will break easily. My one also, they ship me from trees. Aiyo, so messy one. Okay, got it? Ladies and gentlemen, please write monocotyledon and dicotyledon down. How I know? There the tips is the leaf liao ma. The leaf show you, then you should know. That's why this table is very the important. Look at the leaves, then you know, must memorize. Like for you, super easy. P must be mono, Q must be di. Yeah, okay. Like, jom, question number 2. So, come, everybody. Number 2, like for you. Write down the pattern of the leaves. Okay, 3 marks. 3 marks, Jom, next question. Number 3, shall we? Okay, state 2 other characteristics which differentiate. Okay, you need to find out the differences of mono and dicotyledon. Can you help yourself? It's from here. Okay, for example, plant P have... Wait, who is plant P actually? Who is P? Oh, P is mono. Okay. Plant P has fibrous roots, while while plant Q have taproot. Like that is one answer. You have 2 marks to fulfill, then you only need 2 lah. Everything here also can. Not writing the name, don't need. It's a maze, no need. It's maze, no. Are you trying to make a pun like it's a maze? It's a maze. It's a maze. Yeah, it's a jargon, by the way. Yep, 1 cotyledon, 2 can, no problem. Bro, your tune, detune or uptune. Anytime. I can do both. How you know? Okay, let me see what did I write. Oh, easy. There you go. So, be familiarized with your own way of writing law. What I mean is, everyone's way of constructing sentences is a little bit different. So, you don't have to always follow mine, because I won't be with you forever. I cannot be with you for the rest of your life. Right? I can't be with you in your exam. Please help yourself in your own way. Okay? There you go. Is it as or has? Oh, that's a typo. Sharp eyes. Monocotyledon plant has only 1 cotyledon. There you go. Of course, you won't be alive forever too. Okay, thanks. I know. Can I referee? We want to referee? Like beep beep referee. Yes, you can. You can write P and Q. P and Q. Can. Can write again the pattern of leaf. Try not to repeat lah. Although there's not like a set rule that we cannot. But if you ask me, I will avoid that lah. Just write something else. Okay. Can Okay. Number B in 5 more seconds. You know, I see the seminar poster, you know that smartest / 年轻 in there. Then the bracket one was the Junyi looked like a kid. I thought I looked like a kid also. Okay. Oh, important of why so sian one? Why again one? But this time around we focus on plants. Okay, we focus on plants. That means plants is very important for what? As a source of medicine. Plants very important as a source of food of animals. Plants is very important as a building materials like timber, wood. Yeah. From here. We are still talking about this, but we focus on plant. Yeah. Oxygen cannot. Oxygen maintain the biodiversity, but important. No leh. No. I don't think the oxygen is good answer for this one, because the question is asking the importance of biodiversity. Why should we protect plants? Okay, I understand plants produces oxygen for human and animal to breathe, but I think we want to be more focused on that particular part of your syllabus lah. Okay, so if you ask me, I think the oxygen part better not include in this answer. Yeah, so I'm sorry, it's not acceptable for those who mention oxygen. I know. You don't have oxygen, no biodiversity. Relax, Howard. Relax. I understand. But that's like the after story. That's like the next step. We do the first step first. We take care of the plants because we want all this. Okay? Or I should say the physically the plants is important for what? It's not the process that the plants carried out. We are talking about the plant, the body of the plant, the leaves, the stem, the flower, the roots. Is important for what? It's not really like plants' importance of in the cycle. That one is different. If you write the importance of plants in oxygen and nitrogen cycle, then those oxygen answers are acceptable lor. But not now lah. Okay, June. Can I say for tourist attraction? Yeah, the last one actually is a tourist attraction, botanical garden. Okay. Actually, are there any other source that provide us oxygen except for plants? Not really though. Plants is already like a big thing in the whole planet Earth. So, no, that's not. Okay. Can Done Okay. June chapter 1 搞定. We go to chapter 2, ladies and gentlemen. In 5 more seconds, I am moving my screen. That one at where? Botanical garden. Many places. Cyberjaya, Putrajaya, Shah Alam, Titi Wangsa. A lot of botanical gardens that you can go. Behind you also got. No, that's Fuji Mountain, not botanical garden. Okay done liao moving liao really moving really one don't say I didn't give you chance Okay, chapter 2, ladies and Okay, speaking about dichotomous key, ladies and gentlemen, I'm not gonna do it here because that's gonna take a long time to do. So commercial time. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to ask you to go to my YouTube and watch the video because I lazy to teach here. No lah, that one take very long time lah, my friends. I hope you understand because we have limited time. So you just go to my YouTube lah. You see this handsome boy you click into it, then you go scroll. You find this one. The title already here, dichotomous key. That was a long video, long time ago, by the way. I have extra exercises there. You can just download the extra work to try lah. You try until you vomit lah. Okay So I teach in the video. You don't worry. I teach step by step from zero to hero. Yeah. So there you go. You look awkward at every picture. No, I don't think so. I look good at every picture. Those are good, some good thumbnails. Thank you. I don't want subscribe you. Never mind. Actually, all my viewer also not my subscriber. No lah, just watch only lah. I'm not asking you to subscribe. I'm not asking you to support my channel. I mean, you can, but I'm saying in order for you to continue the dichotomous key, what I'm more worried about is whether you learn or not. Not really subscribing and so that's it I go to chapter 2 liao. Let's go. What? My teacher used that video to teach us leh. Oh, my love, my darling. Why your teacher do that? Can teach me how to edit stuff. Actually, I just throw everything and press one button, then can now. Don't sing, please. Sorry. Okay. Don't sing. Okay. Cool. Okay. Like, chapter 2. Let's go. We have a simple part at the very beginning of chapter 2, isn't it? We have producer, primary, consumer, secondary, all this we all know already. So it's not a very big problem you learn in primary school. That leads you to your food web and the food chain. Okay? You know what? Let's just get into some work because this is very straightforward. Food chain means only one. Like this is one chain. Okay? Food web is a lot together lah. A lot together. So whenever we makan, right, we are actually passing down the energy. Passing down the energy. Every time you pass down, do you all know how many percent we pass down? Every time pass down, it is only 10%. 10% of 10% of 10%. Wow, very yamgong one, very little. 10% of 10% of 10%. Hey, I don't need to eat. I don't need to use. I don't need to carry out my life processes. How am I going to give the next person 90%? Of course, I need 90%. I give 10%. So every time only 10%. Like, we try the exercise together. You are? What page is it? 21. Like, my friends, page 21, question 3. There you go. Teacher, I make music. Come use my music. Jonas. Wow. Right, let me check you out. Maybe what's your channel or something like that. Very nice your voice. Later I hear you sing. I cannot tahan. Yeah. Cannot tahan, want to punch me, is it? Somehow Jonas. Okay, cool. I'll check you out. I like music too. I play music too. I want to check you out. I want to look at your music. Stream Azura. This must be a streamer lah, Jinshon. Okay, Jun. Lai. Your name is Azura. Sorry. You two know each other. Okay. I thought it was introducing individuals channel. Okay. Let me check out Stream Azura. That's the song. Nice. Wow. Such a young age. You guys are so talented. I'm still teaching in YouTube, but you all make music. I can't even sing on the right tune. First thing first about food web. A lot of mistakes done here is y'all just really draw like spider web. Okay? Spider-Man, friendly neighborhood spider. No, you don't really draw like web. Okay? You need to organize like that, step by step. So, first thing first, you all have to write down all the animals from the picture. Maybe your picture not clear. Look at my picture. What animal, whatever living things you all see, we write down first. Like number 1, what I see, definitely we always start with plants. So I see grass. What else? I see grasshopper, right? Grasshopper. And grasshopper says hi. Hi. Okay. What else? Is that a cave? This one, no, I don't think it's a cave. It's like rocks. Mouse. Is that rats or mouse? I think, right? Same lah. I think I lazy. I write rat. Okay. And rat says hi. Who else? Frog. Where is the frog? This is camouflage, is it? Is this the game where I have to find things in the picture? I see frog, rubber. I'm frog, rubber. Hi. Okay, who else? Snake. Snaky. Look at that. Snake. Who else? Bush. Hiya. Eagle, correct. Eagle, thank you, everybody. Eagle. Okay, water, where water not living thing. Is there difference between mouse, rat, and mice? Yeah, definitely. Mouse is the one that I'm holding now. Sorry, joking. The difference between rats are mouse are more like a rats are more like a pest, like a dirtier one version. Mouse are actually onto the more domestic one. Okay, mice is even smaller in terms of size. Okay. Now, did everybody say hi already? Oh, sorry, the snake did not. Psst, psst. Hi, I'm Snake. Okay, Jun. Oh, no. Hi, I'm Eagle. Okay. Okay, Jun, that's all lah. Now, when we form the chain, you have to make sure you do like in sequence. First one definitely will be grass, isn't it? We start from the left. Oh, line, everybody. There you go. That's how you do it. Don't simply draw lines, become like a web. After grass, the next step you have to determine how many primary you have. Don't simply draw first. Like how many who is primary? Who eat grass? Obviously grasshopper. Who else? Rats. Frog Frog got eat grass somewhere way. I don't think so lor, Frog. I don't think so lah. They use their long tongue to like hunt for insects. So I don't think so. So I think grasshopper and rats. Yeah, okay. Like since we have two, we only draw two lines. That's how you kickstart. That is how you roll the whole thing. Okay, that's how you start off. This is the most important starting point. That's how we determine how many chains we have. So let's make this as the rats. Let's make this as grasshopper. Ho. Okay. All good? No problem. Does rat eat grasshopper? That's a good question. Does rat eat grasshopper? I don't think so. I don't think so. Yeah. Why you all why you all ask the same question? Both exactly same typing. I don't think rat eats grasshopper. Yeah. Okay. Continue. Like rats eaten by who? We continue the chain first. Don't worry in between. Don't worry in between. Rats eaten by snake. Snake. Okay. Snake. Okay. Snake eaten by who? Right. Continue the chain. Don't bother the in between first. Snake eaten by eagle. Eagle. Everybody. Okay. Jun. Anything else? Eat eagle. No. Okay. Grasshopper eaten by who? Like continue the chain first. Grasshopper eaten by grasshopper eaten by frog. Okay. Can cool. Any animals that we missed out? Okay, all in. Now the next step or the last step is to draw your food web. Draw in between. Okay, right? What can we do? Frog eaten by snake. Okay. What else? Rats got eat grasshopper, man? I don't think so. Do eagle eat grasshopper? Funny mo. No. Eagle eat rats. Okay, eagle eat rats. Okay. Eagle eat frog. Do eagle eat frog? I don't think so, Do they? Anybody? I don't think so, actually. Frog eat eagle. This one I have to bite the buttock. The footwear arrow can be curved. Can why cannot curve? Your teacher say cannot curve. Can curve. Why not? Or if you worry about curve, then we can do like that. We can bring this we can bring this down. We can bring this like that. Then we can bring this. Then we can do this. Ayo. Yeah, we can do this. Huh? Yeah. Then that's more sensible, lor, I think. Okay. Then we continue from here. Frog eaten by snake. Okay. Google confirms it. Google say eagle got eat frog. Google say eagle catch frog. Grass eat eagle. That one sure the wrong Google one. Okay lor, like that you all Google, I got nothing to say lor. Okay lor. But I don't know your teacher accept or not lah. You all better prepare your Google since Google everything. Okay, become very messy liao my chain like that. But nonetheless, that's okay. That's alright. Okay, that's how you draw. Got skill one, not simply draw spider web. Got skill one. For 3 marks. Right, continue. What is the relationship between frog and snake in controlling population size? Okay, we have to talk about population size. Yeah. Okay. So, how leh? That means frog and snake, in terms of their number, very simple. If my snake increase, what happened to my frog? Decrease, right? This one increase, this one decrease. Make sense? I think that's what question wants. We talk about the population size. Can okay so like you all can write, when the population of snake increase, okay, when the population of snake increase, the population of frog decrease. Like very simple sentence. Okay. If I accidentally put something wrong, like I put red, yeah, in 3 marks probably you deduct 1 mark like that lor. Okay. Teacher, is Miss Google or Uncle Google? I think it's Uncle Google, because a lot of wisdom, very smart, because uncle have seen so many things on earth, have gone through so many things, so Uncle Google, very full with wisdom. Prey predator can. Oh, no. Asking for population. Yeah. In terms of number of population, we're not really talking about like prey predator, the interaction. No, that's called interaction. That's different. You think girl not smart? Wait, don't put words in my mouth. I did not. I just say that I prefer it's an uncle. Or it's an auntie, okay? Okay, hello. Okay, done. Next one. State 2 ways with energy may be lost. Oh, remember, every time we pass on, you only pass on 10%. Where did the 90% go? I think can find. Can go. Here, like here. Got it. Transfer primary consumer and then secondary consumer in the full wide of the chain. Some energy is used to move and respiration. Yeah, there you go. Okay. Also defecation, no problem. Defecation, no problem. Respiration, defecation, excretion, movement, up to you. Okay. Lại. Help yourself. one deceased. Lol. When someone die, the energy lose to the surrounding. Okay, done. Like next page, it's about the oxygen cycle and carbon cycle combined. Yeah. Teacher forehead so shiny. Shine bright like a diamond. I think it's called oily. Later I'm gonna fry vegetables on my forehead. The oil is enough. Okay, Jom, let's go. After this, down to your water cycle, carbon cycle, oxygen cycle. Okay, that's very simple. You've done that in Form 1, so we're just going to quickly finish up the work here. Okay, so, photosynthesis, combustion, animal. What is this? I think this is called respiration, isn't it? So what is gas X and gas Y? Take a look, guys. Look at the arrow. Look at the arrow that points to the plant. What gas is taken by the plant? There's only one gas taken by the plants for photosynthesis, isn't it? And then it releases the other kind of gas. So obviously that is carbon dioxide. So gas X must be carbon dioxide. Boing. Then gas Y must be the other one, Boing. Oxygen. There you go. Can, Jun, Okay, explain the role of green plants in the cycle. What's your role? Free answer. My role is to carry out photosynthesis and to release oxygen, or opposite, to absorb carbon dioxide. Up to you. So 2 points. Number 1, please name the function. Please name the process. Boing. And please name the gas. Boing. There you go. You want to write one also can, but I write both for you you choose You can focus on oxygen up to you. Okay. Provide oxygen to other living things also can. I'm pretty sure you can do the next one though. It's the opposite. It's the opposite. Okay, no problem. Animal is what's the role? Animal in the cycle is to breathe, respiration, to take oxygen, I think, and to release carbon dioxide. Yeah, there you go. The opposite. Teacher, I hungry liao. Me too. It's 6. Me too. Soon. We finish 6:30. Then jom makan. Jom to your own makan. Not we all go makan together. Okay, in your opinion, what will happen to the quantity of X and Y if all green plants are destroyed? Hey, this one so easy. When plants die, gas X, gas Y, Can you do that? 2 sentences 2 points. No need fancy English. Okay, let's go. We shall get to interaction, the next part. Interaction together with biological control, yeah? So, ready? Let's get to the next question. Please turn to page 24 and question number 5. Okay? And we'll look at your short notes at the meantime. What is this? Hello. Is this? Plant die, earth die. That's correct. But please focus on what question wants. Okay, Jom moving in 5, 4, 2, 3, 1. Let's go. Okay, speaking about interaction, this is where your short notes will be. Here. Okay, so prey predator, no need I say also you know lah. Competition of course you know lah. Prey predator must be different level lor. One must be level 100, one must be level 0. Then competition must be the same level lor. Both also 100 level. Same category because they fight for basic needs. Okay lah, simple. Then down to another 3 more, which is called symbiosis. Symbiosis means I help you, you help me. Yeah? So we have symbiosis, the first one, which is commensalism, commensal benefit, but host, no benefit, no harm. Okay, so like shark and remora fish is a very famous example. So to the shark is like, you want follow, you follow lah, don't disturb me lah. Okay. So to the remora fish is, yay, I get to swim with the big boss. I get to eat the food scrap of the big boss, but I did not kacau the big boss. I'm not going to do anything bad to the big boss. Okay, so this is commensalism. Mutualism is I help you, you help me, we are happy family. So we need each other, both benefits a lot. Then the last one is mutualism. No, the last one is parasitism, which is, well, you know, one benefit, the other is harm. Okay? Okay, Jun, lai. Don't tell me you don't know. You must know this one. Page number 24. Question 5. Lai, write down the interlesson. I actually expected for we are happy family part. The tapeworm is so tempting to dissect it. Oh, I'm pretty sure you find your food inside the tapeworm. Your french fries, your burger. Okay, done. You all right yourself. Don't wait for me. It's in your short notes. Don't tell me you don't know. You don't know means you didn't study. This is very basic. Okay, cool. So, boing. Next one, number 2. The remora fish look kinda big. Yeah. Maybe perspective. Or maybe that's a baby shark. Baby shark. Okay, joking. Continue. Describe the interaction Y using another example. Like commensalism, but another example. Okay, that means cannot repeat remora, cannot repeat sea anemone and hermit crab liao. Must choose other from here. Okay, cannot continue this one. Okay, cannot say this anymore. So up to you. Yeah, so there you go. What do you all want? Let's say I think I choose lichen. And then make sure you write this one, how they work with each other, because 2 marks. This one purely is you study or no study. Seriously, my friends. So far, number 1 and number 2 is purely study or no study. It's not difficult question. If it is about you remember or not. So I choose lichen. I think. Yeah, I choose lichen. You all can choose buffalo and mina. You all copy exactly the description. Okay. There you go. Refer. Why shark and remora fish is common? The shark not get clean meh? No. The shark did not get any benefit actually. The remora fish eats up the food scrap only. So the remora fish doesn't really clean the body of the shark. They eat up the scrap from the mouth of the. When they makan, sure got little pieces of fish coming out, so they eat that one. You sing this later, my brother come. Why say why? Why it say why? Yeah lah. Why is mutual ma? Don't want this one anymore. Don't want mutual. A crocodile and funny bird thing. Oh, you want to go for other than your textbook example also can, but make sure you write correctly. A bit risky. Buffalo and Mina bird. Fish eat fish is normal. What? If human eat human. Why so dark one? No, don't pollute my mind. No. Fish eat fish, human can eat no, headache, no. Hello. Of course in animal they can eat their own kind one actually. Okay, but we are in not the human not the animal kingdom. Okay, Jun. 来 done. Next question. That is zombie, yes, that is zombie. Okay can okay, what do we need to do now? Oh, we have both plant H and plant G in the same plot, means in the same place they plant two kinds of plant. What do we have? We have banana and the jagung. Okay, so started off maize is like, yo bro, you think you can fight me? And then the banana was like, come on. No chill. Okay, that's the result. Okay, explain the interaction in diagram 5. Walao 3 marks, and then the question so irresponsible. How am I supposed to explain what? Explain what all? Okay, I think number 1, may I know what interaction is this? Banana and jagung. This is page 24. Page 24, my friends. Okay, so what was that again? Yep, that is competition, right? Okay, first mark, competition. Okay, we have 2 more marks to go. Competition. Competition. Oh, what do you fight for? What do you fight for? Like, what do we have? Competition for sunlight, competition for water, competition for air, competition for space. There you go. That's your second point. You have to say what they compete for. Okay. One more point. The last point, we will say, therefore, the banana plant outgrow the maize, become taller, and everything just take over lah. Can. So you see, do this in exam. In your brain, or you write down 3 main important points first. Once you know where your point comes from, elaborate the sentence. So really, if you ask me, I really don't like karangan, because writing karangan is whatever comes into your head, then you write. That's very risky. You might end up not having 3 points. You think you write a lot, you think your karangan very good, your English is powderful, you don't get any points. Okay? Point number 1, ladies and gentlemen, interaction. Point 1, competition. Number 2, they compete for what? Number 3, okay, I need to do a little bit correction here. Okay, you're right, and I will do correction for the last one. Banana plant is more dominant and outgrow. How? Banana is more dominant. Oh, I know already. Wait, hold on, ladies and gentlemen. The question talking about height. Information from the graph very important. Like, let me correct this. Dominant and grow taller compared to maize plant. There you go. Voila. Sounds better. Okay, let's get to number 2. Okay, good. 来 predict the growth rate of plant H. Okay, that's the question. Predict the growth rate of plant H. If planted in a different plot, that means we don't want plant with G anymore. Okay, Jargon, we plant it on the other area. Don't want the banana bully me. Okay, don't want liao, I go to another place. Yeah. Predict the growth rate, 1 mark. You need another 2 mark to explain. Yeah. You see, this kind of question really headache. Okay, never mind, we do step by step first. First question is this: predict the growth rate. Do you think maize growth rate increase or growth rate decrease when we change maize to another location? That's your first point. Obvious, right? Okay, so growth rate increase. So increase, first point. Ding! Okay. Second point. Why increase? Increase. Why increase? Because no more what? No more competition. There you go. No more competition. Second point. No more competition. Okay. Third point. No more competition means I can get everything I want. I can get water. I can get enough of sunlight. I can get enough of air. I can get enough of so many things. 3 points. Got it? First point, growth rate increase. Second point, no competition. Third point, I get what I need. But of course, like I mentioned, I'm not going to do point form. We still need to form a little bit of sentences. That's why we elaborate. Okay? Number 1. The growth rate of plant H will be higher or will increase. Okay? Number 2. Why increase? No competition. G is not here anymore. There is no plant G, so no competition. Yeah, or no other plants, whichever lah. No plant G or no other plants, therefore no competition. Okay? Third point. So I get everything I want. How do I say that? There you go. The plant H can get sufficient or enough of blah blah blah. Okay, so actually not as difficult as you think lah. Sometimes when you see 3 points and 4 points, that's what you need to do, which is spend some time, plan out your points, and then rather than you write karangan, very risky one, trust me. Those who so used to do like English sentences, like very very good paragraphs just to explain, maybe you want to try this method, or maybe you want to tune down a little bit. For those students who usually don't know even how to start your question, your answer, this is what you do. Point forms first, you elaborate your points. Simple sentences will do. Okay? There you go. I think we can do one more last topic actually. It's called biological control. Yeah, after all the interaction. I have many more questions. Can you all try on your own, and answers will be in the GC lah. Look out for answers in your own GC. So I think we shall try out question number 9. Page 28, everybody. Last question before we go off for dinner. Woo! I'm so hungry. I thought the maize need compete with each other. Yeah lor, then if the banana go away, then maize will start to compete with each other lor. But that's not the case lah. The story did not continue, so we stop here. Okay, page 28, question 9, everybody. Ikson carrot farm, carrot farm, has been attacked by the caterpillar. He used the method in diagram 3 to control the population of caterpillar. Oh, very obvious. You are controlling pest. The animal that destroy your plantation is called pest. So we are controlling pest. So it's called biological control, obviously. But first of all, do you know what method is this? What interaction is this? Wasp and caterpillar. Look at the baby. Oh my god. Look at that. The wasp lay eggs onto the back of the caterpillar. The eggs were kind of like will eat the caterpillar inside out. Okay, will kind of like suck up all the nutrients. Then the caterpillar will die. Then the eggs will turn into more wasp. A lot of them. Okay, this is basically called, correct, parasitism. There you go. Teacher showed me a video before. Disturbing. Oh no. Yeah. Even by talking about it, all my hairs are standing now, like my arms, my armpit. Ugh. So it's not prey-predator, this is called parasitism. Okay, there you go. Poor caterpillar. No, I think poor Ikson. But the problem is when caterpillar goes crazy, they can easily finish up, like botak, your whole plantation goes botak. You lose a lot of money if you are a businessman. But well, I understand it's the nature. What can you do about it? So we can at least use natural method to solve the problem, not chemical lah. Okay okay, like name the method. We already know this is called the biological control. Okay, cool. Teacher, they have rather have wasp than caterpillar. A wasp doesn't destroy your plantation at the moment, so I think caterpillar is even more annoying. But then there will be too many wasps. That could turn into another disaster if you did not take care of it properly. Yeah, true. That's the problem. Okay, cool. Next page. Before using the method above means biological control. Ikson has been using pesticide. So he was using pesticide and then he decided to change to biological control. Justify the action taken. Walao. I think the question wants you to explain why he made this decision. What decision? I think it means from pesticide to BC, biological control. Why Ikson changed from pesticides to biological control? Isn't that sounds like why you change from this from that? Why you change from this to that? Are we talking about advantage of biological control? So this question could be a simpler way of asking, which is state 3 advantages from biological control. Does that make sense to you? But the question wants to upgrade into another way of asking and makes you confused. So I think merely the answer is just from here. Can you choose any 3 answers? But please do a comparison sentence, which is, let me do one for you. biological control is lower cost than pesticide. Okay, biological control does not pollute the environment, but pesticide will pollute the environment. Something like that. We want a comparison sentence. I'm going to leave to you this page. Can you pick any three on your own? Just use the short one lah. I think this is good lah. Okay lie for you. Okay, yeah, almost the same. This is a different way of English. Like last free answer. This one is level 1 answer. Level 1 answer. Level 1 question, level 1 answer. State 1 weakness means disadvantage. Okay, so I think I choose the shorter one. This one. Maybe. Yeah. But I have to remind you all, no matter level 3, level 4, level 5, level 6 question, the answer is definitely still within your syllabus. Don't worry, because it's just the way they ask makes it difficult, but the answer is still the same. Like the previous question, the question could have just asked state 3 advantages, then copy. But now the question wants to change to the story lah, Eng Sing Farm lah, what decision he made lah. But the answer is still here, what? Right. Same answer. Different way of asking. Makes it difficult. Okay. So, there you go. And last one, I bet you all can form your own sentences. Please compare pesticide and biological control. Yeah, biological control takes a longer time to work compared literally copy. No problem. I think that's pretty much chapter 2 though. Chapter 3 we already started in normal class, but I will I will continue the revision in normal class for my students next week. Bring the same material if you go to physical class. I hope I helped you all revision a little bit on your chapter 1 and 2 lah. And I think we call it a day. Off for dinner, everybody. I see you next week in normal class for all students. For new friends, I see you maybe or maybe not. And bye everybody. Have a great night. See you. You are welcome. Bye. See you.